Good day, viewers. I remember myself again. Ogenenyeronwo Otemu, teaching on YouTube. I encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Otemu, Man's Success. So before me on the board is how we can now construct triangle when the two angles are given and one side is given. So construct triangle XYZ such that x is equal to z is equal to 45. So meaning x is 45, z is 45. And line SZ is 8 centimeter. Measure xy and angle y. It's a junior y question. So when you are given such thing, the first thing for you to do is to draw a line. That's the first thing for you to do is to draw a line. That's the first thing for you to do. Having drawn a line, because when you are given the two angles, only one side is given. So let us measure 8 centimeter. Let's measure 8 centimeter. In measuring 8 centimeter, you place your ruler, your compass at 0 or some centimeter. You will extend your pencil to 8. You will extend your pencil. I'm not drawing my own to scale. Please draw your own to scale. Do measure the correct measurement. I'm directing you on how you can construct it. Put it at 0, extend it to 8. You place it at one of the end here. You draw this arc. You cut it there. When you take it here again, you cut it there. So here is now 8 centimeter. So this point is x. This point is z, because we are saying xz. So now I will now construct 45 on x and z, which is here and here. And for you to construct angle, you take a smaller radius. Like what I teach my children, you can measure 2 centimeters. So I will put it on x. We draw a semicircle. Put it on x and draw a what? A semicircle. Put it on y, on z, sorry, z. You will draw a semicircle. So put it on x and z simultaneously. When I put it here, I will construct 120 degrees. When I put it here, I'm going to construct 60 degrees. I will take it down. Put it here, construct 60 degrees. I will take it down. Put it here, construct 120 degrees. Put it here, carry your pencil up. Put it here, cut it. Put it here again. Put it here, cut it. Okay, now I will now draw a perpendicular line, a broken line, which is 90 degrees with broken line that will pass through this point. I want to do it the same way here. That is 90 degrees. That is 90 degrees. Now, the question demands 45, not 90. It demands 45, not 90. So I'll put it at 90. I will cut it. I will put it at 90. I will cut it. So that angle is 45 degrees. That angle is 45 degrees. So I will draw from here. That will pass through here with a straight line. That this angle is now 45 degrees. I also draw from here. That will pass through there. correct. So this is our y. That is our y. Now the question says we should measure line what? X, y. So B1, line X, y is equal to what? You now bring your pair of divider. You place it on X. Take it to y. Then you bring your ruler. You put it on your ruler at 0 centimeter. You extend it. And my answer is 5.5 centimeter. And number figure 2, so we should measure angle y. You use your protractor again to measure angle y. So when you want to measure angle y, as your protractor, it is place that we use. And here's your starting point. This place, not here. So I will place here on y. Look at it. Make sure it's on the line. Then now trace it. You now trace it down. It's 91 degree. It's 91 degree. So here in y continuous y, this is 5.5. We mark plus or minus 0.1. That's what we mark. Plus or minus 0.1. So if you have 5.6, you are correct. If you have 5.4, you are correct. So within this range of value is what you will have in any exam. Here can be plus or minus 1. So if you have 92, you are correct. If you have 90, you are correct. So plus or minus 2. But the final answer is 5 centimeter and 91 degree.